Hey Stampin' friends, Darlene with Darlene Stamp. A little of a non-traditional video today. I'm heading off to work, so schedule's been kind of different, but I wanted to show the last parts of my alternates and share those with you. So I'm going to flip the camera around and show those to you. So this one's super easy. Just used the card base, put it on a white background, and did the stamp on the inside and that healing heart stamp set. And then this actually is stamp and cut out, and this is raised with the little hearts. One. This one was a design that, you know, you kind of find designs, and you can see I used a texture on the hearts. This heart is from a year ago, January, and then this is raised and using this from last month. So a lot of these I tried using months before, so to kind of give you an idea, but just a little bit of, oh, and then this was the black, and I just made it red to match. So just flip the other side around. This one is using the little mailbox and the snail. This was from one of our past kits. And hello, hello. This is just a piece that I had extra used. I was going to do a shaker on this, but didn't feel it. And then just did the trim by hand here. So it looks like little leaves, and cut out the mailbox with the heart. Another mailbox. Just using the stamp from previous months, I Believe in You, and cutting some extra hearts out from the gold that we have, and using that black. Another one. This one is this actually is a piece that I cut and then raised and put it on this white piece, and then just angled that black around. And then I had these little gems that I would just put on there just for some bling. This one just kind of has a little bit of fun thing, so I wanted to use up this. I don't have this petal pink, which is different than powder pink, so it was clashing. Anyhow, so just filled in the red hearts, did my scallop. These just extra pieces that I had that really kind of worked, and then used my little flowers on all four corners and some of those gold hearts. So I keep the, this heart punch is not from Stampin' Up, but it comes in handy, and added some more bling to this, and using one of the labels from a previous month. This one, I love purple. Purple, not like my absolute favorite, but enough. So this is actually the Gorgeous Grape and the Highland Heather, and then the pink really stands out with this, but this is that So Sweetly Sentiments, and the die cuts on that, and little hearts. And of course, you utilize some of those small stamps for this background. That works out really good too. All right, now I want to show you these two cards because they are an idea that I got from our Paper Pumpkin fan club on Facebook. And she used, well, pooey. She used the hearts. Let me get up close here. See how she used the heart stamp upside down as leaves? So this is from one of our pumpkins, just the base, and then I drew the leaves to go up into the hearts as that. And this is from Life is Beautiful, with the little birdhouse and Thinking of You, and then throwing some little hearts on there to pull the color in, because this is the Poppy Parade. And so the difference is that so this is from the pumpkin, just the trunk is what comes with it, and I had to do this by hand, which I just copied it from this. So this is Life is Beautiful. That's the actual tree trunk. So you see the little difference. And then I did the little Wishing You a Lifetime of Love and as a sentiment. But yeah, it made it really nice, kind of giving a difference. I saw another sample I was going to try to do, but for the sake of time, I just wanted to at least get these out to you, because now we're in the new month and pumpkins will be coming out. I'm going to be in transition and moving, so I wanted to get this out. Try to get before in the same month that it came out. So this is January's pumpkin, and just some fun. So have a great day. Enjoy this Thursday, and this is Thrilling Thankful Thursday. I appreciate you subscribers. Thank you for supporting my channel. Subscribe if you haven't, and I'll bring some more content and the next pumpkin coming up. Have a great day.